Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot access shared folder error in Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click and expand Programs and Features. Click Turn on Windows features on or off. Select all SMB CIFS file sharing support. Click Restart now. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click and expand Private, check Turn on Network Discovery, also check Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Function Discovery Resource Publication. Change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the Service, click Apply, click OK. Open Function Discovery Resource Publication. Open SSDP Discovery. Open up Discovery. Change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the Service, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.